Right now, people are making thousands of dollars from simple AI-generated TikTok videos that take only a few minutes to create, and the craziest part is that most viewers watching these videos have absolutely no idea they're AI made. These mechanical toy transformation videos are blowing up everywhere right now. Pages are gaining hundreds of thousands of followers, videos are crossing 20 million, 30 million views consistently, and because many of these videos are over 1 minute long, creators are earning serious money from TikTok's creator program just by posting these types of clips consistently. And honestly, once you see how simple this workflow actually is, you'll understand why so many people are jumping into this niche right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process step by step from generating the toy idea, creating realistic AI images, transforming them into cinematic videos, and turning everything into content that genuinely looks like some expensive animated product commercial, even though it was made using AI tools in just a few minutes. And the crazy thing is, the example I made took less than 5 minutes. Now, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPTs section on the left sidebar. Inside the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and select the custom GPT. Once you open it, click on Start Chat and begin the generator process. Now, this is where things get interesting because instead of manually brainstorming ideas yourself, the GPT instantly gives you 10 different scene concepts to choose from. Some ideas are futuristic, some are fantasy themed, some are robotic animals, and others look like collectible mechanical gadgets you'd see in a high-end commercial. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons these videos work so well, because the concepts instantly trigger curiosity. People scrolling TikTok suddenly see some weird mechanical cube unfolding into a dragon or robot creature, and naturally they stop scrolling because they want to see what happens next. Now, from those 10 options, you can either select one by number, type your own custom idea, or simply ask the GPT for more options if none of them feel interesting enough. In this example, I'm choosing option number 7. Once you choose an idea, the GPT expands it further and gives you 6 different variations of that concept, and each variation comes with 3 very important things: a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a transformation video prompt. This is what makes the workflow so powerful, because you're not just getting random prompts, you're getting a complete transformation sequence already structured for you. Now, the first thing we need is the before image. So copy the first image prompt and head over to OpenArt. Inside OpenArt, go to the image section and click on Create Image. Now, before generating anything, click on the model settings and select a Nano Banana 2, because this model gives extremely detailed and realistic outputs that work perfectly for these toy style visuals. Now, paste your prompt into the prompt box and make sure your settings are correct. Set the aspect ratio to 9:6 and choose 2K quality, because higher quality images make the final transformation video look much more realistic and premium. Then choose how many images you want to generate. Personally, generating multiple options is smarter because it gives you more variations to choose from instead of relying on a single output. Now hit generate and wait a few seconds. And honestly, this is the moment where the workflow starts looking insane, because the generated images genuinely look like real products someone is holding in their hand. The lighting looks realistic, the textures look detailed, and if someone randomly saw the image, they probably wouldn't even guess it came from AI. Once your images are ready, choose your favorite one and click reference on the right side, because we want the second image to stay visually consistent with the first one. Now go back to the GPT and copy the second image prompt, which is basically the transformed version of the toy. Then return to OpenArt and paste the second prompt while keeping all your settings exactly the same. The only thing you should change is reducing the image count to 1, because now we already know the exact style we want. Generate again, and now you'll get the transformed version of your object. For example, in my case, the small mechanical cube completely unfolded into a giant Black Widow spider, and honestly, the transformation looks ridiculously cool. It feels like something straight out of a movie trailer or a high-budget toy advertisement. Now comes the most important part: turning these images into an actual video. So inside OpenArt, go to the video section from the left sidebar and scroll up to the model settings again. This time, choose Kling 3.0 as the video model, because Kling handles motion transitions and cinematic movement extremely well. Now upload your first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. This basically tells the AI where the animation starts and where it should end. Then go back to the GPT one more time, copy the transformation video prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Now before generating, make sure the audio toggle is turned on because sound design massively improves the final result and makes the transformation feel more cinematic and immersive. For output settings, choose 10 seconds and 1080p resolution because shorter videos perform better on TikTok while still looking high quality. Now hit generate one final time, and within a short time, your transformation video is complete. And honestly, this is the part that surprises most people because the final output genuinely looks like some professionally animated commercial, even though the entire thing was created using AI tools in just a few minutes. Now, once you understand this workflow, you can repeat it endlessly with different concepts. Mechanical animals, transforming robots, sci-fi gadgets, fantasy creatures, miniature toy weapons. There are literally unlimited combinations. And this is exactly why pages in this niche are growing so fast right now, because every new transformation creates curiosity, and curiosity is what drives views on platforms like TikTok. People want to see what the object transforms into. That's what keeps them watching, and longer watch time usually means more reach, more engagement, and more earnings from the platform. Now, another important thing is consistency. Most people try 1 or 2 videos and stop, but the pages getting millions of views are usually posting these videos repeatedly with different concepts and styles. And because the workflow is so fast, you can create multiple videos in a single day once you get comfortable with the process. Now, honestly, the biggest advantage here is that you don't need animation skills, 3D modeling experience, or expensive software. The AI handles almost everything. Your main job is simply choosing good ideas, refining prompts, and staying consistent with uploads. And once you understand how to combine GPT-generated concepts, realistic AI images, and cinematic video generation together, you can create content that genuinely feels impossible for a normal beginner to make. So that's basically the complete workflow from start to finish. Generate the concept using the custom GPT, create the before image, generate the transformed version, animate everything using Kling 3.0, and turn it into a high-quality TikTok-ready transformation video. And if you want to keep exploring viral faceless AI niches like this, make sure you subscribe because there are still a lot of crazy AI content systems most people haven't discovered yet. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.